Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Nintendo Switch on a laptop without using a direct HDMI connection. First, you'll need a video capture card, which acts as an intermediary device. This card converts the Switch's video signal into a format your laptop can understand. You'll then use specific software to display the game on your screen. It's a straightforward process that opens up new ways to enjoy your favorite Switch titles. To get started, you'll need a video capture card. This device is crucial as it takes the HDMI output from your Switch and converts it into a digital signal that your laptop can process. Make sure your chosen capture card has an HDMI input and a USB output, preferably USB 3.0, for optimal performance. This ensures a smooth, high-quality video feed with minimal latency, making your gaming experience enjoyable. Once you have your capture card, the next step is to install the necessary software on your laptop. Popular options include OBS Studio, VLC Media Player, or the capture card's proprietary utility, like 4K Capture Utility. After installation, open the software and configure it to recognize your capture card as the video input source. You can then adjust settings such as resolution and frame rate to achieve the best possible visual quality and responsiveness for your gameplay. Now for the final steps to connect and play. First, use an HDMI cable to link your Nintendo Switch dock to the HDMI input on your capture card. Next, connect the capture card to your laptop using a USB 3.0 cable. Finally, launch your chosen capture software, select the capture card as your video source, and you should see your Nintendo Switch game displayed directly on your laptop screen, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.